Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flatten CAD drawings in SketchUp, a simple fix for one of the most common errors people face when importing AutoCAD files. Once you've imported or copy-pasted your AutoCAD drawing into SketchUp, you might see it looking messy or not lying flat. There's an easy fix, and all you'll need is a free plugin called Architect Tools, available on the SketchUp extension warehouse. Go ahead and install it if you don't already have it. To fix this, simply click on the group containing your CAD lines, go to the Architect Tools menu, and select Flatten. Instantly, the plugin will bring all the lines back down to a perfect 2D plane. From here, you can easily generate faces and start building your 3D model without any issues. And that's it. Problem solved in just a couple of clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more SketchUp tips.